The Pinnacle Duxton project is about extending the living area. So by doing so, we actually hacked one of the bedroom walls to actually enlarge the space. And from then on, we actually added more carpentry to replace the storages for the homeowners that they have accumulated over the years.
We had a very good experience with Akila. She's very friendly and approachable, and we really trust her to design and manage the project. She's also really patient with us and went through all the details with us. What we found impressive was the workmanship and service. Everything was very well done and they paid a lot of attention to detail. What I liked most about the newly transformed interior is the open spacious layout that has a lot of natural light flowing in, that also includes the smart compartment features as well. We are very happy with our experience with Akila and the Interior Lab, and we would definitely recommend them to our friends and family.